work where you wanted because you work online. That's the life I live. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing every day. I can go where I want, do what I want. Wait a second, we're in the middle of a pandemic. Outside of that little glitch, I can really travel wherever I want. I usually take 6-7 trips a year, been around the world, really enjoyed it, got more places I want to go, a lot more places I want to go. But the point is I have that freedom. Now you may want that too, and I'm here to tell you, if you watch to the end of this video, it's available to you too. So let's get started. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you get notified every single time I do a video. Give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Now, the crazy thing about making money online is it's possible. And, you know, I sometimes I'll go into a store or I'll go into a restaurant and, you know, I'll give you an example like Starbucks. I'll go in there and I see people rushing in to get their coffee and they're all dressed up for work and they're in their suits and their skirts and their high heels or their dress shoes and they're running back out to get in their car so they can race to work. They don't have to do that. It's not necessary. This is 2020, soon to be 2021, I think, unless the world ends or something because of this pandemic. But the point is you can do it online. I've been doing it for almost 11 years now, which is kind of cool, not to have a boss for that long. Though my boss, which is myself, is a lot more demanding than my other boss was because I expect a lot more out of myself. But the point is it can be done. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to give you some really good ways of doing it so that you can make money too. Now, some of these things are going to work better than others, and some of the things are going to take longer to achieve. But you know what? Time's going to pass anyhow. I hate when somebody says, well, it'll take me 6 months. Well, it'll take me a year. But the point is the time's going to pass anyhow. You might as well invest it in yourself. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about is Google AdSense. If you have a website, if you have a blog, any place that you're posting information, you can monetize it with Google AdSense. You can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month just off that. The next thing is affiliate marketing. If you don't want to come up with a product, if you don't want to come up with an idea, you can go to something like ClickBank. There's hundreds of thousands of products there that are already proven, that already work, that already have sales pages, that already have emails, and all you have to do is send traffic to those offers. You go out, you buy traffic, you send it to those offers, and you make money. It really is that easy. Next thing is consulting. Maybe you're an expert at something. Maybe you're really good at something. Maybe you know, what is an expert? I think an expert is anybody who's smarter than the person they're teaching, right? That's what an expert is. But maybe you're good at accounting. Maybe you're good at building businesses. Maybe you're good at building web pages. Maybe you're good at making videos. You can consult with somebody in charge. I did this for a while, and I started off at 500, then I went to 1,500. This is per month, 2 calls a month. Then I went to 5,000, 7,500, and I ended up at over $60,000 for a 3-month contract. And I really liked doing it, but I knew I could make more money working for myself. So you could do consulting. You know, and if you don't have a skill, now those of you out there are going, wait, JR, I don't have a skill. I'm not really good at anything. Get good at something. How hard is that? I mean, you could go on YouTube and learn about any subject, SEO or web design or whatever you want. And once you learn it, you can go sell those services. I mean, every business needs a website, every small business, and they don't have time to do them. They're all paying somebody for that website. And if they've already paid somebody and already have a website, it probably needs to be redone because it needs to be done every few years or so you can make money doing that. The next thing is online courses. Oh my God, I love me some online courses. I really do. Online courses are great. Why are they so great? Well, they're great because there's so many subjects I can do it on. Now, I am in the online business, I guess, arena where you can make money online. So that's what I teach. But there's so many ancillary things, right? So I've got a course on Shopify. I've got a course on drop shipping. I've got a course on Facebook ads. I've got an inner circle that people can pay for. I got a course on emails. Oh my gosh, I have courses coming out on YouTube, on digital products. I mean, tons of them. But the point is, I like them because I do it once and it's an asset forever. I can make money off that course forever. Okay. Now, some of the courses have to be updated. Sure, they got to be updated. It's got to be done. But for the most part, those things make me money every single day. I love me some online courses. You need to check that out. You can do an online course. Matter of fact, I've had subjects I didn't know anything about, and I went and took a course on it and learned it, got good at it, and then did my own course on it. How about that? Next thing is podcasting. Now, I don't have a podcast because I have so many other things to do, but podcasts have become incredibly popular because you can focus on a particular niche. Now, I will tell you, you do want to focus on a particular niche. Some podcasters have been able to pull it off. I know Joe Rogan is, I think, in his 10th or 11th year of his podcast. He just got $100 million contract with Spotify. but he's been doing a podcast from his bedroom in the beginning, and it grew into a studio, and now he's made millions of dollars. So his podcast, you know, I don't think I could even put it in a niche, but that's hard. It's hard to do a podcast and not have it in a niche. But I guess his niche is he talks to interesting, unusual people. He said people on his podcast that would never get on TV interview or anything like that. So a podcast is a great idea too. Next up is book sales. Book sales are great. I have a couple books and sell them, make money on them, and that's a great thing. I enjoy doing that. But if you're scared about writing a book, you shouldn't be. First off, they're a lot smaller than you think. You know, most online books are, 40 to 60 pages, so it doesn't have to be a 600-page novel. And you can actually write down some bullet points and just talk about those bullet points and send that audio file to somebody to edit into a book form, and boom, you've got a book. If you don't want to do that, I mean, you're just way lazy and you don't want to do anything, you could just outline what you'd like to have in the book, and you could send it to a writer on Fiverr or Upwork or some of those places, or on textbroker.com, and they could write the book for you. But books are great because they're out there, they make you money on a daily basis, just like mine do. The next way you can do this, lead sales. You can actually go out there and run some traffic. That means buy some ads to a particular sales page or a particular blog or a download or whatever it is, and take all those names and actually sell them to somebody else. You can actually do that. Those leads have value. The next one is freelance writing. Maybe you're good at writing. I personally don't like writing. I do a lot of it. It's not something I just love doing, but a lot of websites need writers. They need product descriptions, they need blogs, they need articles, they need all kinds of writing done on their websites, and you could be the perfect person to do that and instantly make some money online. Some of you guys listening, this isn't for everybody, this is for a very specialized group. You already have an audience. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel, maybe you've got a blog, maybe you've got a podcast, and you've got people. Okay, you got people that listen to you, and it doesn't take that many. I mean, if you've got 500 or 1,000 people that listen to you, that's enough. You could do sponsored posts. Maybe you find some products out there that you really like. You contact the company and you say, hey, I will do a sponsored post. I'll talk about your product for 500 bucks, for 1,000 bucks, whatever it is. I'll talk about your product, and you can do that within your forum. So you'll see a lot of videos where people will actually talk about an earbud or something like that. I listen to a lot of different YouTubers, and right now there's an earbud that everybody is doing a sponsored post on. Maybe it's a food product. I know a food reviewer that does reviews on food products. So you just contact those companies and say, hey, I will do a sponsored post. I'll talk about your product for a minute, 2 minutes in one of my videos. I have 1,000 people, or I've got 10,000 or 100,000 people that listen to me, and I'll do that for you if you send me the product to review. That's a great way to make some money online. Next way to make money is webinars. Okay, so maybe you've got a course. I've got one course that sells for $9.97. Actually, I got several that do, but I don't sell that course directly to people. What I do is I have them come on a webinar. One of my courses has to do with Facebook ads, so I'll bring them on a webinar and I'll talk to them about Facebook ads and how they need to set up their ads and how they can be successful with their ads, how they can make money with their ads. And at the end of that, I say, and by the way, I've got a course on Facebook ads, and you can buy it for this discounted price right now. So that's another way I make money, is through these webinars that actually sell my products. You can do this with any product. It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product, it can be coaching, whatever you want to be. It can be a service that you provide, but educating them in a webinar, in a 45-minute to an hour, maybe 2-hour webinar, is a great way to make some money. Next way is YouTube. Hey, look where we're at right now. We're on YouTube and you can make money on YouTube. How can you make money on YouTube? Well, there's several different ways. In this video right here, I have affiliate links below. You click on those links. I get a little bit of money if you buy something from Amazon. I have a course below that's free. It's a $97 course. You can actually get that course. Click below and get that course. And when you get that course, you're on my mailing list. And when you're on my mailing list, I can send you offers, and maybe you'll buy something else from me. Maybe you won't, but maybe you will. I'll make some money there. So that's another way. And plus, once you've gotten 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can monetize your videos. You may have even seen an ad on this video, and that's because YouTube puts ads on my videos and I make money off them. Pretty cool deal, right? So there you got it. I mean, what else can I tell you? It's not that hard to make money online. And I've given you a lot of ways to make money online, but there's a ridiculous amount of ways. I mean, this isn't all the ways. Matter of fact, if you search my channel for ways to make money online, you're gonna find a lot more videos, because there's so many ways to make money online. I can't put them in all in a video. I mean, I'd be here for hours. There's so many opportunities. If you're telling yourself that you can't make money online, that all the opportunities are gone, there's nothing left for you, you're wrong. I'm telling you, you're wrong. You can make money online, but you're going to have to put forth some effort. You're going to have to give up some time of something else you're doing and put it into this business, but it's well worth it. I'm telling you, for the past 11 years I haven't had anybody tell me when to go to lunch or when to get up or when to go to bed, you know, or how many hours I had to work. Now I will tell you, I probably work more hours now than I did when I worked for somebody else, but I don't mind it, and this is fun. It's great talking to you guys. I love your comments. As a matter of fact, put some comments below, give me some interaction, tell me what you think of the video, you know, ask me questions, whatever you want to do. If you just say I like it, I would appreciate that. Just say I like it, put that down there. Don't forget to subscribe also, and when you subscribe, look for that link down there for my free course. It's a $97 course you can get absolutely free. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you when I do these videos. You won't have to come looking for them. I can actually let you know when I do a new video. And also, this is the cool part about this, if you turn on all notifications, you won't miss one. That one video could have been the video that you needed to make more money. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I look forward to your comments, and I'll see you in the next